Hi Ray, I'm continuing to try to problem solve the replace media or the image library problem, and it may not be the replace media plugin. So this image here, Wangara Lookout, which is on the Flinders Ranges page, if I go to, well, what I did was I deleted that image, so the Wangara, and it's on my desktop. So there it is there. I then renamed this test file with that name, and then so I deleted the image from the media library, and then added, just very quickly so you understand. So I added this image, and what it did was bring up this image here. I had to search for it. It didn't come up in the if I take this out. So generally, or maybe not. Generally, this is in chronological order, but at the moment, it doesn't seem to be. But anyway, Wangara Lookout. So here, the image tile is not showing. If I go to edit image, there it is. It's in there, but it's not at that at the other level. So it might not be the replace media plugin. It might be the media library itself, caching itself. I have cleared the SiteGround cache, but it didn't bring the image up. So what I'm about to do is insert this image into the Flinders Ranges page again. Don't clear my browser cache, and see if and clear this. Well, I have cleared it, and then see if Cloudflare picks up on this the same file, but changed. And then does the user's browser need to be flushed to see that change? So I'm just going to do that now. So just a quick one. I'm in the Slider Revolution, and I'm adding the file. So the image is missing from here, which is correct. Select from the media library, and it is the most recent image here. I can see the tile, but it just doesn't have the image attached to it. So I just thought I'd show you that. I can see here that the image is saying 6 kilobytes. I think it was saying that in the media library as well. While this image is small, it's 12 kilobytes on the desktop there. So anyway, that's about as much as light as I can shed on this subject. You can see that the image is not coming in there, so I can't test any further the user's browser. Will they get will the image update if we change the image but it's got the same file name? Can't get to that yet. So over to you, and see how you go. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.